Hey guys, so you'll notice on our switch panel here, you have all of your lights on one side, all of your bilge pumps on the other. So you'll have your port live well, your starboard live well here. You'll push those buttons in and they'll indicate with a red tracer that they're on. So there's two different options with plugging the main drain on your live well. You can either use the standard plug down in the bottom of the live well, or we have a shutoff valve down here on the outboard side.